Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tutor. So in this video we are going to learn about how to create a login page without using a database. Generally a login page is annexed with a database. So for simple application, if you don't want a database, in such case in this way you can create a simple login application using PHP. It doesn't require any database connectivity. Let's see how to create simple login page using PHP. So this is only for beginners to understand the logic of login page, but actually in real-time applications the login page is annexed with database. So the database table consists of the data which is useful for authentication of the user. So for simplicity we are going to create a login page without any database connectivity, right? So we need two files for that. One is a HTML page and second one is a PHP page. We can simply annex inside a PHP page itself. No need of complicating by creating another page. Within a single page we can do all operations. We can validate whether the user is a valid user or not. Okay, we will go for second option. Within a simple PHP page itself, let me create a database. Without a database we can create a simple login page. Let me show how to do. The prerequisites are, so your SAM server or WAM server, whatever you are using, that should be started. So you can see it has been started. I have already created a folder inside my htdocs, which is nothing but tutorials. I'm going to write the code and save it here. So you can note the path. In my machine it's in C drive, SAM server, htdocs, tutorials. If you are using any other server, it will be inside www or something else, depends upon your server. Let me show how to create. So initially we need two text box for getting username and password from the user. So HTML head, so title of the page is nothing but login page / title. Then we will go for body. Here you have form. Action is, let me explain this later. Method, you have two method. One is post, another one is get. So let me use post. I'll tell why I am using post later on. Then we have enter your user ID or name. So this is for displaying the information in the user interface for identification by the end user. So input type, this type is nothing but text, and I have to give the name to access this text box inside my PHP. So name will be, you can give any name, user name. Okay, then br, which is nothing but break, it will direct to new line in HTML. So then followed by enter your password. So this input type is nothing but password, and the name is, you can give any name. Let me give PAA, pass. Okay, so finally after getting username and password, the end user should click submit button or login button. So we'll make here, so br followed by input type equal to submit, but the value or the label that should be displayed is nothing but login, and name is nothing but again submit. So you can close your form, you can close your body, and you can close your head tag, or else you can directly close HTML tag. So I can save it. I said before I am going to create everything inside a single PHP file, and hence let me save this as login.php. So save. So let me try to execute this tutorial slash login.php. So it's getting displayed username, password. Let me give username as Hari and password as CSC. Login, nothing has been happened because, so I have to specify after getting the data where the form should be redirected. So in my case, I'm going to perform the validation operation inside the same page. So this should be redirected to the same page, which is nothing but login.php. Let me try. So Hari CSC login. So it's redirecting to the same login.php. Here the validation should be written inside the PHP. So this is the starting and ending of PHP. Here I am going to write the PHP operations. So initially I am going to check if is set of $_post of submit. I am checking whether the submit button has been clicked by the user or not. This will return true if the end user clicked the submit button. So if it is so, I have to get the value from the form. So I can access the form elements using the name. So PHP variable should be annexed with $user equals to $_post of your name, the form element name, username, then password equal to $_post of pass, right? So here without database I am checking whether if $user equals to Hari, then echo welcome Hari. So you can check the password also, and $pass equal to CSC. In such case it should print welcome Hari, or else it has to print echo invalid username or password. So this will occur only and only the submit button has been clicked by the user. So let me check this code. So just I am refreshing. So I am giving the username as Hari, password as CSC, clicking login, it shows welcome Hari. So if I am giving any other thing, Hari Prasad followed by CSC, login, invalid username or password. So if you have multiple users, you can just give else if $user equal to Hari Prasad ampersand $pass equals to CSC, then again you can give echo welcome Hari, or else you can directly mention welcome $user. Okay, so you can check now. So somewhat there is a mistake, right? So we forgot to close this, so this is a mistake. Now Hari Prasad CSC login welcome Hari Prasad. Okay, so this is how you can create a login page without any database connectivity. It's somewhat secure too, because you can view page source, it's not showing the PHP code. So, okay, so this is only suitable for simple applications where the beginners can use, but in actually real-time applications has the database, or it may have a static XML file where the data are stored and login authentication has been provided. So hence please subscribe our channel. Thank you.